Less than 3 weeks after Hurricane Laura, America's Gulf Coast is preparing for another potentially devastating storm. That would be Tropical Storm Sally, currently gaining strength in the Gulf of Mexico. It is forecast to become a hurricane later today before making landfall sometime tomorrow, likely in eastern Louisiana. Here's a look at some of the flooding the storm has already caused in the state of Florida. This is on the ocean side of the state in Miami. People in Louisiana have been filling sandbags in preparation for Sally, and some mandatory evacuation orders are already in place. The governors of both Louisiana and Mississippi have declared states of emergency. CBS News meteorologist and climate specialist Jeff Berardelli is following all this for us. Jeff, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Tony, and good morning, everybody. I think it's worth mentioning, we're going to be talking about this becoming only a Cat 1 hurricane, but we stress that just because it's only a Cat 1, it doesn't mean that it cannot be catastrophic. And the reason why I say that is, first of all, there's going to be nearly Cat 3 type storm surge with this system. And in addition, because it's going to move so slowly, easily we're going to see 2 feet of rain. Some places could see 30 inches of rain, so it is a dangerous storm. Looking at the satellite, it's been disheveled and lopsided. The center is on the western side of all the thunderstorms, and that's because we have a lot of strong wind shear over this system. But the wind shear could relax enough for this to become a Cat 1 and maybe even a borderline Cat 2. But notice how slowly it moves, maybe moving 150 miles in just 48 hours or so, and that is going to dump a lot of rain and probably cause a lot of surge because of the angle that it's hitting the coast. You can see that counterclockwise flow driving that water into Louisiana and Mississippi. 7 to 11 feet of deadly storm surge is possible, so be careful. And look at that rainfall, 12, 18 inches, some places seeing more than 2 feet of rain, and that's probably the most dangerous part of this. In the Atlantic, it is on fire right now. We have 5 systems. Tropical Storm Teddy formed earlier today, so we are on a record pace, 3 weeks ahead of record pace in the Atlantic. Pretty soon we're going to tap into the Greek alphabet. That's just how unprecedented 2020 is, not just for everything else, but also for hurricanes.
Thank you, Jeff. Tony has a little Teddy at home. We're hoping that Teddy's okay. Thank you very much.
I think Teddy's going to head out.
Wait, go back to him. What did you say? Go back to Jeff, please.
He thinks Teddy's going to head out to sea.
It's going to be okay. I think Teddy's going to go out to sea, so Teddy's name is good.
Local disaster in my kitchen is all.
Yes. Teddy's name is good. Thank you, Jeff Berardelli.
Hurricane at home.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.